Most agency owners are trapped in a lead gen loop. Manual searching, cold emailing, endless follow-ups. It's a grind. But what if your lead generation ran on autopilot? Follow these 5 steps, and you can generate $10,000 in pipeline every single month without lifting a finger. I've spent the last year obsessing over autonomous systems. I've tested everything from Claude to ChatGPT, but the secret isn't the AI itself, it's the orchestration. I've used this exact framework to help solopreneurs scale their operations without adding a single person to their payroll. Today, I'm giving you the full blueprint. We are using Make.com and OpenAI to build a system that identifies high-intent prospects, qualifies them using custom AI logic, and sends personalized outreach that actually converts. No more guessing. No more manual prospecting. Just a fully autonomous lead machine running in the background of your business while you sleep. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Lead generation is a grind. You spend hours hunting for prospects, sending the same generic, hope you're doing well messages. It's tedious, it's boring, and frankly, it's a waste of your talent. But here is the real danger, the bottleneck. When you're the one doing the prospecting, the qualifying, and the outreach, you become the ceiling of your own business. If you stop for a week, your pipeline dries up. If you try to scale, you're faced with 2 bad choices. Option 1, hire a full-time sales rep. Now you have a massive payroll increase and a management headache. Option 2, keep grinding. Trade more of your sleep for more leads. Neither of these is sustainable. Most agency owners are stuck in this loop. They have a world-class service, but they spend 80% of their time just trying to find people to sell it to. You don't need more hours in the day. You need a system that doesn't sleep. A system that finds the lead, qualifies them, and books the call while you're actually focusing on the high-level work you started your business to do. Stop manually hunting for leads. It's a waste of your highest value asset, time. You don't need a massive sales team or a costly VA. You need an autonomous loop. We're building a system that finds, qualifies, and contacts your ideal clients while you sleep. Here are the 5 steps to build your autonomous lead machine. Step 1, the fuel. Every system needs data. We start in Make.com. Connect your lead source, whether that's Apollo, Google Maps, or a LinkedIn scraper. Set a trigger to pull new leads that match your ideal customer profile. Don't pull everyone. Be specific. The tighter the filter, the higher the conversion. Step 2, the AI filter. Raw data is noisy. Most leads are a waste of time. We send the lead's website URL or company description to OpenAI. We tell the AI to act as a senior sales qualifier. If the lead doesn't fit your strict criteria, the system kills the lead immediately. No more pitching people who can't afford you. Step 3, hyperpersonalization. Generic outreach is dead. It goes straight to spam. We use a second AI module, Claude or GPT-4, to analyze the lead's latest LinkedIn post or about page. The prompt is simple. Mention one specific achievement from this text and tie it to our value proposition. This isn't a template. It's a unique, one-to-one conversation generated in milliseconds. Step 4, the delivery system. Now we push that personalized data into your sending tool. Use an API connection in Make.com to drop the lead into a specific campaign sequence. Pro tip, set a random delay between sends. Make it look human. If it looks like a bot, it's treated like a bot. Step 5, the feedback loop. The system doesn't stop at sending. When a lead replies, Make.com detects the sentiment. If the sentiment is positive, The system pushes a notification to your Slack or CRM and creates a calendar link. You only enter the chat when the lead is already warm. That is how you scale from $0 to $10,000 in monthly lead value without adding a single employee. To get this system running exactly like I just showed you, you'll need a Make.com account. I've left a link in the description to get you started. Combine that with an OpenAI API key, and you've essentially built a 24/7 sales rep that never sleeps. The results: I implemented this exact workflow for a client last month. They went from manual prospecting to 50 high-quality, AI-qualified leads per week. That's a potential $10,000 in new pipeline without hiring a single employee. This is the power of autonomous systems in 2026. If you want to stop trading your time for leads and start scaling your agency, hit that subscribe button. Grab the tools from the links below, and I'll see you in the next automation breakdown.